Right, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be potting on part 3 of these trailing lobelias. You can see, well, as you can see, I've left them probably a little bit too long, but never mind. All you need to do is prick them out. Fill me a pot with compost like so. Using the peat-based compost, I got this from Wicks. Plant them in there like that. See, I pulled them out, which I think I've done. I'll cover them up. Hopefully they'll take a bit of water. Just like that. As you can see, they're going to look lovely down the side of the hanging baskets, already in pots that I've got later on. So yeah, fill your pot with compost like so. Let's try and get these out of here, shall we? That's nice. See, nice little root system on there. Get your fingers, nice little hole, and like so. A little bit of compost around the top. That's number 2. We'll just do one more, just for good measure. As you can see, I've planted several in each one of these. Get that to one side. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Right, pull that one out there, which I shouldn't have done. So yeah, in the middle like so. Yeah, well, I would recommend putting them on before they get to this stage. I should have really done these earlier, but they'll be alright. It got cold now, so when I put my bees on, I'll probably put them inside the kitchen at night for the next few nights. But yeah, just imagine with some flowers on. They look absolutely brilliant. So yeah, once they've been done like that, all you do is give them a good water, like so. And they don't want to be outside until all risk of frost is gone. So if you're on top of it, you can put them outside during the day, harden them off, and then fetch them in the evening. Usually in UK, usually say like beginning of June should be alright to plant them out. So that's my trailing lobelia. I have to put on from the seedlings. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Like my videos, please subscribe, folks. And remember, everybody, happy sowing, happy growing. Oh, please give me a thumbs up as well. Have a nice day, everybody. Thank you. Remember, everybody, keep safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.